Good morning, everyone. My name is Sheikh Al Mansouri, and my teammates Rouda Al Matroushi and Alreem Al Hibsi are doing a presentation about our project of digging wells in Uganda. But before that, I have a question for you. Have you ever made a difference in someone's life? I'll wait for your answers below. Okay, now moving on to a short video.
Hi everyone, my name is Roda, and in our project proposal, we picked to provide clean water to people in Uganda. Let us think together. What is water? Why is water is important for any creature in this world? And let us think deeply about Prophet Muhammad's words. Don't waste water even if you were at a running stream.
Morning everyone, my name is Alreem, and in the background section we have mentioned that unclean water causes deadly diseases which results in an increase in the death rate. However, we have two options for the clean water project, which are water filters and water wells. In this table we wrote the differences between them. Water filters tends to last about 2 years, while water wells tends to last about 10 years. Water filters benefit one family and it costs approximately 92 dirhams, while water wells benefit about 2,000 person and it costs for about 23,000 dirhams. There's two special technologies options, which are Purifier and Aphrodite pump. Purifier is a ceramic water filter which easily filters water and it is affordable and reliable. The Aphrodite pump is a hand pump with a lever that pours water using humans' energy. The purifier is provided by the Spouts organization, while the Aphrodite pump is provided by Water Wells for Africa organization. As you can see, the first picture shows the Aphrodite pump, and the second picture shows the purifier water filter. And for the clean water project, we chose the water wells option because it's more sustainable, it lasts more than the water filters, and it will benefit the whole village because it benefits 2,000 people basic needs.
Okay, aims and objectives. So, starting with the main aim of digging wells in Uganda would be to provide access of clean water to rural areas there and help stop spread disease. And the objectives are to raise awareness that drinking unclean water causes diseases, provide the local community with the knowledge of hygiene, sanitation, and importance of the usage of clean water, and to help the population in reducing their exposure to physical and bacterial contamination. Another thing I have in the list of objectives is to help the local community as well to learn about employment of infrastructure to get clean water.
So, this is our Gantt chart. In the Gantt chart, we will focus in two main tasks. The first task is developing ideas. We will start planning for our project proposal. Then we will start searching for background information. Then we will analyze our background information data. Then we will set up our priorities. To collect more information about the task, we will make a survey. Then we will analyze the survey data. After collecting all of these information, we will start designing the project by picking suitable materials and evaluating the workers. The second task is implementation. In this task, first of all, we should communicate with Ugandan organization. After communicating with the organization, we should make an agreement with the organization. The second step is to visit the villages to understand the water need in each village. Then we have to check out the workers that they will work in digging the wells. After all of that, we will send them the first payment to allow them to start working on the wells. When the wells are ready, the sanitation and hygiene sessions in the villages will improve. Also, the children will go back to school, so the education will be improved. When all 10 wells are done, it's the time to send them the second payment.
So, moving on to the budget justification. Since the organization has provided a budget of 350 dirhams, 350,000 dirhams, this amount supports a variety of actions. After doing my research, I have concluded that one well costs 8,000 US dollars, which is 23,000 dirhams. So this means that we are able to dig 10 wells with a fair amount of the budget left for the equipment, travel substance, and etc. So this table shows every dirham and where it's going to be spent. And starting on with the personnel, this holds all of the well digging budget, which is gonna be 230,000 dirhams, and it's gonna be spent in installments for the 3 years. Moving on to equipment, the equipment costed us 44,000 dirhams and is gonna be spent in installments as well. Consumables are the giveaways and the brochures that we are gonna give away in our visit to Uganda there. So we're gonna have to visit we're gonna have to visit Uganda that we are gonna give away in our visit to Uganda there. So we're gonna have to we're gonna have to visit Uganda twice. First time in the first year, second time in the third year to check everything out and make sure everything is maintained and good. And the technical level is gonna cost us 11,000 dirhams and is gonna be also spent as installments in each year. Um, the installments idea supports our organization and makes the process more flexible into paying each year. So, moving on to the total funds, the whole project is gonna cost us 348,000 dirhams. That gives us 2,000 only left with the budget. That's gonna go for donations, and that's it for the budget justification.
We will research about the effectiveness of our innovation by keeping in touch with Water Wells for Africa, by meeting up with them or contacting them, They will provide for us some report that includes information about number of poor people that visit the water wells areas and if the water wells works efficiently or not.
So, our project will enhance people's life in Uganda to the better. Moreover, it will break the poverty cycle by allowing people to have healthy bodies to work and making children go back to school. Also, there will be a huge transformation in the agriculture in Uganda.
In conclusion, Water Wells for Uganda project will make a difference and big impact in poor people in Uganda, and it will be evaluated as a successful project if each well provides clean water for about 2,000 poor people and it works efficiently. And since it is Ramadan and charity is so important in this month, we'll send you a link for our organization. If someone of you wants to donate, just click this link and donate. And feel free to ask. Thank you for your attention.